Hey guys, so welcome to my first video. I really don't make videos, I'm pretty new to this, blah 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 blah, but I will tell you the trading secrets that you need to know to make 5 figures a day, okay? No funny business, yeah, okay, yes, let's get right to it. Okay, so usually when you're just trading, you want to see like the macro of the markets, right? You don't want to be just dialed into one stock, one ETF, etc., right? Because each chart has a story, or basically contains hints to market conditions, or drops hints towards the future of the market, right? So I mainly trade SPY, right? So I'm gonna bring up the daily chart. Here it's the SPY daily chart, um, but to understand SPY, we need to first look at the cues. So here, the cues, okay? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I filmed the video, but the volume was pretty low, okay? So I'm redoing this, okay? I'm redoing it, okay? Yeah, okay, first time mistake, I get it, bro. Relax, okay? Alright, so, here, okay? So, this was Q's previous high, or yes, resistance, right? So right there, okay, then that turned into support, okay? So now we came back to that level, we closed the inverse cup, right? And here what's happening is a handle is forming, because a handle always forms with the inverse cup, right? So that's the structure of the cues, right? So with the cues, now we understand SPY and what's going on in SPY. Okay, so same thing happened with SPY. Look at that. It's not at that support level, but it is forming that handle, right? Okay, so let me. I'm not gonna teach you algos today, but this would how it would go, right? So that, then that, okay. Then it would bring us down right there, and then it would close another inverse cup, handle, bam, 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 bam. Okay, there's a lot, okay, but I can't really fit it into a video. That's not gonna bore you guys, okay. But okay, so that's the structure for right now, right? But as you know, the market can go two ways: down, down, wait, down, up. Okay, alright. So we gotta look always both ways. So as I said, I believe I said it. I forgot if I did it, but I use indicators, right? So this is the 5-day. This is the 20-day. So right now for SPY, we did claim that 5-day, but the 20-day is gonna start moving down, and then we're gonna possibly, if we do retrace back up from like a bullish catalyst, like news, right? If Powell comes out with saying, "Oh, we are like reducing interest rates," then we are of course going up. But if he comes out with saying, "Oh, nah, we are actually raising the interest rates," right? Then we are effed. Okay, so we can see drop down even more, then complete that cup, right? Then we can see it going to the 480s levels, and then even going back to pre-pandemic levels, okay? So that's if the negative catalyst does happen. But yeah, that's to understand the bigger picture. Now we go into the smaller time frames where I can give you a bigger understanding. So in that 30-minute, this is the current handle that's forming that you saw on the daily chart, right? That I showed you, that's forming on SPY, right? So again, it can still go up. So to go up, we need to grab that. So what happened was basically today, Monday trading session, we didn't see really that cup closing. To see a stronger buying would have been to close right here and then form that blue algo, right, and then move up, but we didn't see that. So I would not take on big positions yet, right? But again, markets can still if it does grab the proper liquidity, which is right here, and right here, then yes, we can see a move up, right? Then it go, then the blue algo forming right here, right? So that is a possibility, but since I didn't see that strong buying, I'm not biased, but that's why I don't want to actually, yeah, that's why I don't want to take big position right now, right? So because there's that liquidity right here on that left, right there, and then right there, right? Then it'll go down right here, right? Then finally right here, right? So then when we come right here, it'll basically do this, so that, and then that, right? Then it brings out to the 480 levels, which I showed you on the daily chart. Again, I'll show you right now. So it'll bring us down to this level right here, and then we're gonna form that handle. Why did I do that? Okay, it's gonna form that handle. Then yeah, so we're gonna get, right? Hope that makes sense. Okay, but I'm not really teaching you guys algos, but I'm just teaching you guys the structure, right? But then we go into the 5 minute, right? Wait, I just noticed it might look confusing. Okay, whatever. First time doing this, give me feedback, okay? Please. Okay, so the 5 day is much like in depth, right? Depth, like it makes everything clear. So here we have that the liquidity, right, that I showed you on the 30 minute, which is right here, right? I just showed you right there. Let me show it to you again. So right here, exact same thing you see on the 5 minute, right? So you see that. So then for the blue, then it would be formed like that. Then it would bring us down like that. Then it would be another liquidity grab with another blue. Same thing on the 30 minute, but in the 5 minute, it makes it much more easier to see, I guess, and take a trade, I guess. But to take a trade, I normally use the 1 minute. I don't use the 5. I use the 1 minute to execute the trade. But I do look on the 30 minute, 5 minute, and 1 minute, and the daily chart to figure out the trade, right? But again, let's use the 5 minute to come up, right? So I didn't really like that cup, right? I wanted to see like that. But again, let's see where market opens tomorrow. But if it does open higher, we can see a retracement down, right? Then to take that trade, and again, here's the 20 day. That's why we're gonna move down, right? And then it's probably gonna move down to like this level, and I think this might, yeah, it might move down to this level. Then we can then we're gonna claim the 20 day to move us back up, and this would be the big cup that forms, right? And that handle. But yeah, I think I've missed over something because I'm not good at this, but I will. What do you guys want to see, or what do you guys want to like learn? Because I'm gonna teach you guys how to draw algos, how to draw a structure, how to do all that. But any specifics, yes. Any understandings, yes. Let me know. And yeah.